Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Brooklyn Heights in a duplex residential apartment, and I'm creating floor plan drawings, a reflected ceiling plan drawing, and electrical plans. So I'm in the upper level of this duplex, and this is one of the bedrooms. Why the window is so unique is because this is a converted church. So here's the other bedroom that I started out in. This one has a bath and 2 closets. As I swing around, this is the lower levels down here. The switchback stairs come up. That is kind of like a rear entrance, but then actually the main entrance is right below that. And then up here we have a bath, and I'll walk down to this landing here. So those are the 2 bedrooms up there that I was standing in, and then down here is a continuation of those windows. The ceiling's cutting the view off. I'll swing down. Here's another bath, kitchen, and here's the continuation of those windows. So this is where I'm at today. I want to show you around. Thank you for viewing my video, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it be of an apartment or a house or commercial space, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Have a fantastic day.